In this video, you'll learn how to change the slippage on your Phantom wallet. By the end of this guide, you will be able to adjust slippage settings to optimize your token swaps according to your preferences. To begin, open your Phantom wallet application on your device. Once the app is launched, look for the swap icon, which resembles two arrows pointing in opposite directions, located at the bottom of the wallet interface. Clicking this icon will take you to the swap screen where you will see the sections labeled You Pay and You Receive. Next, you need to set the tokens for your swap. In the You Pay section, select the token that you wish to swap from. This will typically involve clicking on the token name or icon to bring up a list of available tokens. After selecting the token, move to the You Receive section and choose the token you want to receive in exchange. Additionally, be sure to enter the amount of the token you wish to swap, as this is crucial for the transaction. After entering the tokens and amounts, it is time to open the swap settings. Look for the settings icon, which appears as a gear symbol near the swap area. Once you click on this settings icon, a swap settings panel will open, allowing you to modify various parameters related to your trade. Within the settings panel, locate the slippage tolerance option. Here, you can either choose from several preset options or enter a custom value that suits your trading strategy. Common slippage settings include 0.5% for very stable tokens, 1 to 2% for normal trades, and 5% or higher for low liquidity or newer tokens. Adjusting this setting can help ensure your trade executes successfully, especially in volatile markets. Once you've set your desired slippage tolerance, close the settings panel to return to the main swap interface. Your new slippage setting will automatically apply to the current trade, ensuring that you proceed with the conditions you have specified. Finally, you can continue with the swap process by confirming the transaction, which will finalize your token exchange.